Hello, my name is Fabiola and I'm one of your teachers. Watch this video class with subtitles as many times as you need until you're able to understand it all without the subtitles. Then, practice and enjoy watching it again several times, understanding everything, as if it were your own language. Have your mouse handy and pause often to understand the examples better and comprehend the valuable concepts you will learn in this class. If you do it like this, you will learn lots of English. Today, we're going to study the simple present. The simple present is very easy. All persons have the same form except the third person singular, which is formed by adding an S. Let's start by looking at the simple present with the verb to speak. Let's start with the singular. In the first person, we say, I speak. In the second person, we say, you speak. And in the third person, we say, he, she, it speaks. Remember, the third person singular is formed by adding an S. Now, let's see the plural. In the first person, we say, we speak. In the second person, we say, you speak. And in the third person, we say, they speak. You speak English. Now, let's look at some more verbs. This time, we'll look at the simple present with the verb to learn. Singular. I learn. You learn. He, she, it learns. Plural. We learn. You learn. They learn. What about another verb? Let's see the simple present with the verb to do. Singular. I do. You do. He, she, it does. Plural. We do. You do. They do. I've done something different this time, haven't I? The third person singular form of the verb to do is does. There are verbs that you need to add es instead of only an s. And they are the verbs ending in ss, sh, ch, x, and o. Now, let's revise simple present with the verb to be. Singular. I am, you are, he, she, it is. Plural. We are, you are, they are. The first person singular of the verb to be is am. And the third person singular is. The verb to be is quite special, isn't it? Let's see another special verb. I want to teach you the simple present of the verb to have. Singular. I have. You have. He, she, it has. Plural. We have. You have. They have. As you can see, the third person singular of the verb to have is has. Let's look at some examples of the simple present. Here are some examples of sentences in the simple present. You want to learn English. This is interesting. Learn is preceded by to because it is in the infinitive. Also remember that languages always begin with a capital letter in English. Another example. I listen to the radio. And let me give you an important tip. The verb listen is always followed by to. And remember that the is the only definite article in English. One more example. You have a goal to speak English. Remember, a is an indefinite article. And to have a goal is to have an objective, something you want to achieve. The secret to achieving your goal of speaking English is to practice, practice, practice. So let's see more examples of the simple present. You enjoy the party. He writes a letter. She learns English. You speak English. You record a song. We do everything very well. They like my new car. I read a novel. There are many more verbs you can practice in the simple present in the grammar section of this unit of our complete course. They are all related to your learning process and include to want, to listen, to read, to write, to speak, to learn, to have, to do, to like, to record, to enjoy, to be. Well, in this class, we revised the grammar in Unit 14 of our complete course and learned about the simple present. Enjoy Unit 14 and meet John and his student. Find out what my English teacher is. Put your headset on and practice to improve your listening comprehension. Record and compare phrases to improve your speaking. And learn how to write correctly. You'll also gain fluency by interpreting roles, and then you will learn the grammar and new vocabulary. Keep on learning English. Take care. Bye-bye.